1 cup fenugreek seeds. Grind well. Two cup milk. Soak for 30 minutes. One tablespoon clarified butter. 3 cup lotus seeds. Cook on low flame until crispy. Set aside. 1 tablespoon clarified butter. 1 cup almond. 1 cup walnut. 1 cup coconut. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Set aside. A half cup clarified butter. Add soaked fenugreek seeds. Cook on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes. Set aside. Add roasted dry fruit. Grind coarsely. Add lotus seeds. Grind coarsely. Three-quarters cup clarified butter. 2 cup wheat flour. 'Mix well. 2 cup jaggery. A half cup water. Cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add jaggery syrup. Cook on low flame until all together.